Hi guys, I just wanted to say in this video the audio is a bit messed up, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Series in Southwest Florida, and we are actually currently taking my sister to the car dealership to buy a new car today because we need to get a brand new car for her. She's been saving up money, so we're going to go buy her one today. What do you think we should buy? I don't know what job she's going to be doing yet, but I feel we might be going a bit too fast, but we should be fine. Oh, so there's another car. Them cars are quite cool, I like them cars. Yeah, so we're just going to go and see. We're literally just going to go and see, and then we're going to get to the dealership, and then he's going to buy she's going to buy a new car and drive it. We are literally just pulling into our dealership now. Okay, my Tesla can go on charge whilst we're here. I'm not going to park it there for the minute. I need to put my Tesla needs to have a service as well. She wants to get a Tesla. We're going to see how much money she's got. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, let's see what cars they can get. Oh, these cars are nice. No, I don't want a BMW. I want like a car that I can take my parents around in. The Y looks cool. Maybe. Let's just have a look. Guys, she has decided what car she wants now. She has just bought the brand new Tesla. Okay, let's get a bit. No, she hasn't. It's either that or the Range Rover. No, Range Rover Sport. Let's the 26. Let's get this old car. Okay, we got a Range Rover for her. Okay. Whilst the Tesla's here, we might as well take this car. Oh, okay, let me come over. Okay, so what you do, you put your foot on the clutch, okay? Now it's rolling, okay, so you need to turn the wheel, yeah? Well, this is actually kind of good though. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so we're going this way. I don't think she's learned the adjust of the road yet, so I just need to still teach her that, but we're gonna go head to Starbucks. I think she's doing quite well, first off. Bro, why are you stopping in the middle road? This is quite a nice Range Rover. I don't even know if Starbucks is open, but it is 3:30. We've got university tomorrow, guys, so I hope she better go to that with this new car because it looks really nice. Okay, Starbucks is up here. Shoot. Oh, I think someone's robbing Starbucks. Guys, it's robbery. I'm scared, I'm scared. Let's drive. Blimmin' hell, that is scary. They're robbing the bank. They are really robbing the bank, aren't they? Let's go out here. We might as well just take her back to her house. down here. But I can't get in there. No, her house is down here. They're just figuring out every time these days where people's houses are. Okay, let's take her in there. Yeah, I don't think it's all of any of these. It's just this one. Okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the car. I will. That was fun. The thing is, you just don't know when you get a car, you know? That was really nice to see she got a car. I think the Tesla's crashed. Oh, that was really nice to see her again. Hopefully I haven't saw her for ages, so really nice. Okay, let's drive down here. Crap. Bye guys.